Welcome everyone. In this section, we will explore the idea of sustainable and unsustainable materials. Materials are the basic substances used to create products, buildings, and everyday items. Everything around us, from furniture to electronics, is made from different types of materials. However, not all materials affect the environment in the same way. Some materials are considered sustainable, while others are unsustainable. Sustainable materials are resources that can be produced and used without causing long-term harm to the environment. These materials are often renewable and can be replaced naturally over time. Examples include bamboo, sustainably harvested wood, recycled metals, and biodegradable materials. These materials usually require less energy to produce and create less pollution. They can also be reused or recycled after their initial use. Unsustainable materials, on the other hand, place greater pressure on the environment. These materials often come from limited natural resources that take a very long time to regenerate. For example, certain plastics and fossil fuel-based materials are difficult to recycle. Their production also releases significant amounts of pollution into the air and water. Another important concept when comparing materials is their life cycle impact. The life cycle of a material refers to the entire journey of that material. It begins with the extraction of raw resources from nature. Then the material is processed and manufactured into products. After that, the product is transported, used, and eventually discarded. At every stage of this life cycle, environmental impacts can occur. Mining and extraction can damage ecosystems and landscapes. Manufacturing processes often consume large amounts of energy and water. Transportation of materials also contributes to greenhouse gas emissions. Finally, when products are thrown away, they may end up in landfills or pollute natural environments. This is why understanding the life cycle of materials is so important. Some materials may appear efficient during production but create serious waste problems later. Others may require more effort initially but last much longer and reduce overall waste. To determine whether a material is sustainable, experts evaluate several key criteria. One important factor is renewability. Renewable materials can be naturally replenished within a relatively short period of time. Another factor is energy efficiency during production. Materials that require less energy to produce generally have a smaller environmental footprint. Recyclability is also a critical criterion. Materials that can be reused or recycled help reduce the demand for new raw resources. Durability is another important consideration. Long-lasting materials reduce the need for frequent replacement and reduce waste. Finally, environmental safety must also be considered. Materials should not release harmful chemicals that damage ecosystems or human health. By carefully evaluating these criteria, industries and designers can choose materials more responsibly. Using sustainable materials helps conserve natural resources and reduce environmental damage. It also supports a more balanced relationship between human development and the natural world. In the next video we will discuss about economic sectors and sustainability. Stay connected with us. Thank you.